While testing press-on application tricks, we also had to evaluate the viral double adhesion hack, which combines adhesive nail tabs with liquid nail glue for the ultimate hybrid hold. The internet claims that placing a flexible double-sided sticky tab onto your natural nail first, applying a tiny drop of liquid glue on top of the tab, and then pressing the fake nail down firmly for 30 seconds creates an unbreakable cushion seal that prevents air bubbles and keeps water from seeping underneath. Putting this hybrid method to the test proved that the sticky tab acts as a shock-absorbing bridge that fills the gaps between your natural nail curve and the rigid plastic tip, eliminating those annoying white air pockets and making the press-ons feel as solid and comfortable as professional acrylics. To make sure you do not trap any hidden air bubbles during application, always press the fake nail down starting right at your cuticle line at a 45-degree angle and roll it forward toward the tip, holding heavy pressure for a full half-minute so the glue spreads completely edge to edge. Taking a creative turn into intricate line art, our next test evaluates the viral dental floss and silicone string stamping hack for geometric French lines and cute plaid designs. Drawing super thin, perfectly straight lines across a curved nail plate feels nearly impossible when your hand is shaking. But social media claims that everyday dental floss picks can act as a flexible straight-edge stamp. The hack instructs you to paint a thin layer of dark or metallic polish directly onto the taut string of a floss pick and lightly tap the wet string flat across your painted nail plate. When we tested this on a nude base coat, it created crisp, razor-thin lines in seconds, allowing us to build geometric crisscross patterns and double French borders without needing a steady hand at all. The critical rule to remember when trying this trick is that your base color must be 100% dry before you touch it with the string. Otherwise, the dental floss will slice right through your wet polish like a cheese wire and ruin your base layer. Next up, we are taking on the super cute Airy Aura nail trend, testing whether you can recreate that soft, blurred center glow using a basic eyeshadow applicator and powdered makeup from your vanity. Aura nails feature a soft, circular gradient of vibrant pink, lavender, or red blooming out from the center of a nude nail. But achieving that smooth, airbrushed gradient usually requires an expensive professional airbrush gun. The viral hack suggests painting your nail with a sheer nude base, curing or drying it until it is slightly tacky, dipping a soft foam eyeshadow sponge into a bright pink blush or eyeshadow palette, and gently dabbing the powder directly into the center of your nail in circular motions. Testing this budget beauty shortcut produced a shockingly pretty result, as the powdery pigment blended seamlessly into the tacky base coat, creating that soft, dreamy, cloud-like aura effect before being sealed in with a glossy top coat. Moving on to another hyper-popular micro-art trend, we put the bobby pin, polka dot, and cherry blossom hack to the test. Drawing tiny matching dots for flower petals or cute fruity patterns using a tiny brush usually leads to smudges, but the internet claims that the tiny round ball at the end of a standard hair bobby pin is the ultimate precision dotting tool. To test this, we dipped the rounded tip of a bobby pin into a drop of red polish, lightly tapped it onto the nail to create two side-by-side dots, and then used a toothpick to draw a tiny green stem connecting them into a cute little cherry duo. This hack proved to be an instant, easy success, proving that you do not need expensive nail art dotting tools when everyday hair accessories can stamp out perfect, uniform circular dots in a fraction of the time. While testing all these creative viral trends, we also had to address the inevitable mess that comes with home nail art, specifically evaluating the viral peel-off cuticle guard barrier trick. Whether you are stamping, marble dipping, or sponge dabbing, wet polish almost always floods the skin around your fingernails, leaving you with a tedious cleanup process using messy acetone and cotton swabs. The viral solution recommends painting a thin layer of basic washable school glue or liquid peel-off latex onto the skin surrounding your nail bed before you start your design, allowing it to dry completely clear into a protective, rubbery skin. During our live testing, doing messy gradient stamping over the protected skin and then simply peeling away the latex strip with a pair of tweezers left behind a perfectly clean, crisp nail perimeter with zero polish bleeding onto the skin, saving at least 10 minutes of tedious cleanup time per hand. Have you ever found yourself lying in bed at 2 in the morning, scrolling through your feed, and watching someone transform their natural nails into a breathtaking salon-quality masterpiece in less than 5 minutes using a silicone makeup sponge? It happens to every single one of us. And if you have ever tried to paint a neat French tip or apply press-on nails at home, you know the heartbreaking reality of end up with crooked lines, sticky cuticles, and fake nails that pop off the second you try to open a soda can. The internet is completely overflowing with viral beauty hacks promising that simple household tools, clever prep techniques, and quick stamping tricks can give you a $50 aesthetic manicure for a fraction of the cost. Today, we are putting the absolute cutest viral nail hacks, TikTok French tip tricks, and press-on application secrets to the ultimate test so you can figure out what actually works and get gorgeous, long-lasting nails without leaving your bedroom. Let us kick off our testing challenge with the absolute queen of viral aesthetic nail trends, which is the Silicone Beauty Stamper French Tip Hack. If you have ever attempted to paint a classic curved French tip line using a tiny nail brush with your non-dominant hand, you know it usually ends up looking like a thick, uneven mess of whiteout. The viral hack claims that if you paint a generous layer of white polish directly onto a soft silicone nail stamper or a plastic-wrapped jelly sponge, and then gently push the tip of your nail straight down into the squishy surface, the polish will magically wrap around your nail edge to create a flawless, crisp smile line in 2 seconds flat. When we put this trick to the test on our very first attempt, we ended up with a complete disaster because pushing the nail too deep caused the wet polish to squish all the way up under the cuticle skin. However, we quickly discovered the secret technique that makes this hack a total game changer. Because instead of pushing straight down, you have to press your nail into the silicone at a sharp 45-degree angle and slowly roll your finger from left to right in one continuous, gentle motion. Once you master that soft rolling motion, this trick delivers a perfectly curved, razor-sharp French tip every single time, making it an absolute 10 out of 10 victory for lazy beauty lovers. Moving from freehand painting to the world of instant manicures, our second major test dives into the viral press-on nail longevity secrets that promise to make 20-minute stick-on nails stay locked in place for up to 3 full weeks. We have all experienced the deep embarrassment of having a fake nail pop off in public, but TikTok beauty gurus claim that press-ons do not fall off because of cheap glue, but rather because of improper natural nail prep. The viral prep routine instructs you to gently push back your cuticles, lightly buff the shiny top layer of your natural nail with a fine grit block to create micro-texture, and then thoroughly sanitize the surface with a pure isopropyl alcohol wipe to strip away every single trace of natural oil and moisture. When we tested press-ons using this deep prep routine versus just sticking them straight onto unwashed nails, the difference was mind-blowing, as the prep nails held rock solid through typing, dishwashing, and daily chores without a single nail popping loose. To make sure your cute aesthetic manicures stay healthy, shiny, and undamaged over time, incorporating a few simple natural nail care and safe removal hacks is essential. One of the biggest mistakes people make when playing with press-ons or gel polish is impatiently ripping the fake nails off when they get bored, which strips away the top protective layers of your real nail plate and leaves your natural nails feeling paper-thin and bendy. To safely remove press-on nails without causing any damage, soak your fingertips in a warm bowl of water mixed with a few drops of dish soap and a teaspoon of cuticle or olive oil for 15 minutes. The warm, soapy oil gently breaks down the adhesive bond, allowing the fake tips to float off naturally without peeling your real nail fibers, keeping your natural nails strong, healthy, and ready for your next cute manicure challenge. Taking a moment to appreciate the self-care aspect of doing your own nails, mastering these clever viral shortcuts is about so much more than just saving money at the salon. Taking an hour out of your busy week to sit down, play with cute colors, test fun art tricks, and pamper your hands is a deeply relaxing, grounding form of creative expression that boosts your confidence every time you look down at your fingers. By separating the silly internet myths from the genuine beauty shortcuts, you can build your own customized home nail routine that delivers flawless aesthetic results every single time without any frustration. So put on your favorite playlist, clear off a little corner of your desk, gather your favorite pastel polishes and press-ons, and give these viral tricks a go. There is nothing quite like that deeply satisfying moment when you peel off your cuticle guard, glide on that final glossy top coat, and realize you just gave yourself a flawless $50 salon manicure for practically $0. You have all the secrets, the prep techniques, and the cheat codes to make every set last longer, look cleaner, and shine brighter than ever before. Go have fun experimenting with all the cute designs, enjoy every minute of your pampering session, and go rock your stunning, picture-perfect nails with absolute confidence today. At the end of the day, winning the viral Cute Girl Nail Hacks Challenge comes down to combining clever household tools with patient prep work and gentle removal habits. Whether you choose to stamp your French tips with a silicone sponge, transform your press-on hold with double adhesion, or dab effortless aura glows with an eyeshadow brush, these simple beauty tricks prove that anyone can achieve salon-quality nails right at home. So grab your favorite pastel polishes, pick up a few simple tools from around your room, test out these awesome hacks for yourself, and go show off your gorgeous, picture-perfect manicure today. Beyond the immediate excitement of showing off a fresh set of aesthetic nails, developing your own DIY beauty skills gives you complete creative freedom to match your nails to every outfit, season, and mood whenever inspiration strikes. When you know how to prep your nail beds correctly, line up crisp patterns with ease, and protect your cuticles from messy spills, doing your nails stops feeling like a stressful, smudgy chore and becomes a satisfying, artistic ritual that you actually look forward to. You do not need a massive professional setup or years of specialized training to enjoy gorgeous hands. With just a bit of practice, a few clever shortcuts, and the willingness to experiment with fun ideas, your home nail station can easily rival the results of any high-end salon. Ultimately, embracing these creative beauty hacks is all about enjoying the process, having fun with soft colors and sparkling designs, and celebrating your personal style in a way that feels effortless and budget-friendly. Every time you master a new stamping angle or discover a prep routine that keeps your press-ons flawless for weeks, you build a set of fun, practical skills that save you time and money for years to come. So take pride in every smooth top coat you apply, every crisp French line you roll, and every cute flower dot you stamp, knowing that each simple trick brings you one step closer to effortless, salon-level beauty right at your fingertips.